Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear student? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Kent Public School and College, Sodhpur. Today I'll discuss about finite series chapter 13. You know, we arrange some commodities in the shop. We arrange some events of drama and ceremony. We arrange large to small or small to large, child to old or old to child, light to heavy or heavy to light. These are concept of order. Mathematical series have been originated from this concept of order. In this chapter, I'll discuss sequence and series and the relation between sequence and series. First, I will give definition of sequence. Finite series a sequence one, 4, 7, 10. One, 4, 9, 16. 2, 6, 18, 54. These three are the example of sequence. We know here the difference between 1 and 4. Here 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, and 10 minus 7, this also 3. Similarly here the power of 1, this will be 1, power of 2, 4, power of 3, 9, power of 4, this will be 16. Here the ratio, that is the uh, ratio between 6 and 2, this will be 6 divided by 2, here 3, 18 divided by 6, this also 3, 15, 54 divided by 18, this also 3. We are seeing here all three are the example of sequence. This is the sequence. What is sequence? When some numbers are arranged in under some definite rule, if the relationship between any two consecutive numbers are known, the set of arrays in this type is called sequence. This is sequence. When a sequence are connected by plus sign, then the sequence will be series. If we connect it successively by plus sign, air plus sign, air plus sign, this will be series. If we connected here successively by plus sign, this will be series. So this is the series. Three series. In this chapter, I'll discuss two important series. One is arithmetic series, another is geometrical series. First, I'll discuss arithmetic series. If the difference between any two numbers is same, then the series is arithmetic series. Here 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 10 minus 7, 3. This is the arithmetic series. If the difference between any two numbers is same, then the series is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series. I am giving another example. Suppose 3, 8, 13, 18. This is the arithmetic series because the difference between 8 and 3 here 5, 13 and 8, this also 5, 18 and 13, this also 5. So this is the arithmetic series. Now I will determine in term of an arithmetic series. Suppose to determine the in term of an arithmetic series. Suppose first term of the series have a common difference d. So if we write here first term a, that is a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Second term, this will be a plus d, that is a plus 2 minus 1 into d. Third term, a plus 2d, a plus 3 minus 1 into d. What will be for fourth term? A plus 3d, that is a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Similarly, what happened for n term? So n term, this will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for finding n term of any kinds of arithmetic series. A plus n minus 1 into d. Here a will be first term of that series and d is the common difference between any two terms. I am giving one example. Find the 100 term of the series. 4, 7, 10, 13. First, I will verify what kinds of series this. Here 7 minus 4, we are seeing the difference between of these two numbers is 3. 10 minus 7 also 3 and 13 minus 10, this also 3. So we can tell easily have 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 is a arithmetic series. I'll find 100 term of this series. Here first term a is equal to 4, common difference common difference d is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So in term is equal to, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. So 100 term, this will be here a is equal to 4 and 100 term n is equal to 100 minus 1 and d 3. 400 minus 1, that is 99. 99 plus multi 3. 4 3 nines are 27. 2 is hand. 3 nines are 27 plus 2 29. So 471 301. So 100 term of this series will be 301. Now I'll find the sum of in terms of an arithmetic series of an arithmetic series. To determine the sum of first in term of an arithmetic series. Suppose first term a common difference d, last term here p. If last term is equal to n term, then we can write a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a plus nd minus d. So the series will be a, the second term will be a plus d, third term a plus 2d, p is the last term. The previous term of p, this will be p minus d, and previous of it, this will be p minus 2d. Conversely, if we write here, if we indicate this series a suffix n, that is there are n term of this series, we have to determine the sum of first n term of an arithmetic series. This series there are n numbers of term. So I want to write oppositely this series p minus d, p minus 2d, a plus 2d, a plus d plus a. If we add these two, 2 Sn Here A plus P, D and D will cut. Also we get here A plus P, A plus P, D and D cut. This also we get A plus P, A plus P, and here A plus P. In this series have there are n numbers of A plus P. So this we can write n into A plus P, or Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus P. N by 2, we know that P is equal to A plus ND minus D, that is n by 2. If we write second bracket A and A, this will be twice A. If we take common D here, then n minus 1 into D. So the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic series, if A is first term and D is the common difference, this will be n by 2 second bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. We can find any arithmetic series by using this formula. Thanks for watching my class.